Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I thought I would share with you all of my travel beauty favorites that I think are travel friendly and make it really easy to pack your makeup when you are going on a flight or traveling somewhere where you need to condense your makeup into maybe a smaller bag than you're used to. I do have products that I like to take with me that are easy to travel with, that won't break, and will allow you to get a full face of makeup done with no damage at all. Let's get into it. So when I thought about all of the products that I normally take with me if I'm going away, whether that's on a flight or interstate, I think about ease of use and size. So I want products that are going to be small yet versatile and get the job done. I don't want to take with me a huge eyeshadow palette because obviously that might shatter, right? So I'm going to be taking with me formulas that are not going to break easily when traveling. So you'll see a lot of creams, liquids, that type of thing, instead of a bunch of powder products. First off, foundation. What foundation would I take with me? Well, depending on the season and I guess where I'm going, if I'm going to be in a cold climate or, it's winter time and my skin is super dry, I will be reaching for the Victoria Beckham foundation drops. But now where I live, it is quite warm and I would be taking with me the Chantecaille Future Skin Gel Foundation. So this one is a holy grail for me. I will be taking it with me when I travel, and I'm not afraid that this is going to break because the makeup bag I put it in is quite padded. So this one, it is made of glass, but I have traveled with it and it hasn't shattered or anything like that. So I actually cannot live without this foundation. That's how much I love it. And I will be taking it with me traveling no matter what. I think with this formula, it is totally worth it to take it with me everywhere I go. So if you are worried about the packaging shattering or breaking or whatever, you can actually decant this into a separate container for the total amount of time you'll be away. So it is something that you can take in a plastic container if you wish. But for me, that's not really necessary. The glass is quite thick. It's not flimsy whatsoever. And as long as you have it in a makeup bag, that's surrounded by your clothes, it's not going to shatter. So this one is 100% a foundation that will be traveling with me at all times. It is one that is super reliable, will last all day in any type of condition. So yeah, this one, I can rely on this anywhere I am in the world. Holy grail for a reason. Okay, so for eyeshadows, I will certainly be taking with me the Eldridge Liquid Silk and Liquid Lurex eyeshadows. These ones are super quick and easy to pop on the lids. You can go with something that's more your skin color or perhaps a little bit deeper. And this will just provide you a way to get a one and done eyeshadow look that is very simple, easy to use, and shatterproof. So these will not break at all in your luggage, and they're super small. So you can pack, 3 or 4 colors and you'll get a nice range of shades to choose from. So highly recommend these ones. For concealer, I would go again with the Chanel Ultra Le Tint concealer. It's not very big and it is my most reliable concealer at the moment for all types of weather conditions. So I would be taking this one with me. It's not going to take up much room at all. All right, so for blush. Blush is something that you don't... Okay, for blush, I would take with me the MAC Glow Play blush in the shade Totally Scent. This is a beautiful pinkish shade. suitable for every day. This is a squishy formula, so it's not going to be as breakable as one that's a pressed powder blush. So this type of formula, it is perfect for traveling for those reasons. It will not shatter on you. Now, this shade is the shade Blush Please. This is also in the MAC Glow Play formula. This for me is a bronzer shade, so I can use this as a blush or bronzer or both. The tone of this is like a rosy beige tone. Put it just there. We'll add a little bit of color and dimension to the face, but it's not something that again will shatter because it's in this Glow Play formula. So I just take these two with me. I can go for either a neutral / warm look with this, or use both, or just go with this. So this is as bronzer, or blush, and this one for blush to add that beautiful pop of pink to the cheek. So that is bronzer, blush, eyeshadow, concealer, foundation. I would add in the Victoria Beckham Kajal eyeliner. I have this one. This is the shade Orchid, but I would probably bring this and the shade Cinnamon just so I can get two different looks out of them. And they are very, very small and won't take up enough. They are very small and won't take up much space at all. And then all I would bring would be my eyelash curler, Hourglass mascara, and lipstick. So for lipstick, I would want something that is a little bit balmy, hydrating, not sticky, not matte, just something that can go with every single look for every single day and night. So for that, I would go with the SISLEY Phyto Lip Twist in the shade 24. So this one is, you know, it is a fairly neutral shade, but it is one that I think could work with many looks. Not that I'm going to be playing around with many different looks while I'm away, but I'll swatch it just here. This one is going to be a beautiful everyday color. It's got moisture in the formula, and it's something that is quite small and easy to pop in your bag and grab. You're not going to need a liner with it because it does have quite a bit of color to it, but it's not so opaque where it's, you know, like a strong opaque matte lipstick, for example. So I'll be taking this one, and that is everything that I would take for my travel makeup bag. It is very condensed. I don't have a lot to choose from, but I can still get many different looks out of the products that I did bring. So if you are after any inspiration for what is travel friendly and what you can bring with you on holidays, items that are fairly small, won't take up enough room, and won't easily break, then I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what products that you like to take with you when you travel. I'm always interested in finding out what you take or any hacks that you have when traveling with makeup. I know for me with skincare, I like to bring either samples or travel sizes to really minimize the amount of space I'm taking up in my bag from my skincare. So that is everything for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be doing videos every week on luxury beauty and what is worth it or what's not worth it. I will always be giving my honest opinions and look forward to sharing with you all of my luxury beauty favorites I have. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.